Here's one thing that I wholeheartedly believe about writing a book and about finishing a book. Pride comes after the last word is typed. And not that haughty pride that is filled with arrogance, but the pride that says, I wrote that. I did that. I wrote this story from beginning to end, and it is mine. I crafted it. I created. You may only use AI to outline your story, but just as I believe that every character matters, no matter if it's a side character or the main character, I believe that every thought, every idea, every plot line you create matters and can be helpful to the story you ultimately finish and publish and let your readers read. I believe that AI has its place in the world. I genuinely do. I love artificial intelligence. It is a wonderful, beautiful thing to see take place. We're living in the Matrix, no. But I think it is a wonderful thing to have. And Grammarly does a great job of integrating AI into its system. But dare I say, AI ain't got nothing on you. Ultimately, when I hear someone say they would like to use AI to write the entirety of their book, sometimes what I hear is that they may not believe they have what it takes to write their book from beginning to end with their own creative thoughts and ideas. Or maybe they just simply think that it's been written before. And I believe that that's not the case. Not every story has been told. Your story hasn't been told. And if this is the case where you think that artificial intelligence is the only way you can get your story out there or create your story, I would disagree and say that you have what it takes. Maybe just a little more patience, a little more research can get you there.